welcome back to my YouTube channel after a very long time in a long format video. And as I promised myself that this week I am going to do this long form. So basically, I was on a break with this long format for various reasons of time management, energy management, both. But now I'm going to be regular on this because, yes, I want to, and I have got some really interesting things to share with you, very interesting ideas to post here. So it will come up, just stay tuned for that. And for today, I actually want to share something which is really important for everybody to understand. So, wherever you are in your life currently, whether you are stuck, alone, sad, in trouble, whatever, if you want to change your life, you actually need to understand this one thing, that your body is your subconscious mind. Yes, our body is our subconscious mind, and we need to understand that because this is something very important, and that is the reason we are supposed to bring the alignment in ourselves on all levels of consciousness. Now, what is all level of consciousness? Conscious, subconscious, unconscious. This is like all levels of consciousness. You need to bring alignment between the body, and you need to bring alignment, you need to bring kind of rhythm in these two things. It has to be very much aligned for creating anything, for fulfilling your dreams, for making any change, for creating the life you want to create. And it's so important to understand this. I'll tell you one example. If you just start noticing, you'll understand that कई बारी आपकी लाइफ में बहुत सारे एक्सपीरियंसेस हम करते हैं जिसमें कई बहुत बुरे एक्सपीरियंस होते हैं in a relationship or in any particular kind of environment or at any kind of place. And हम उस एक्सपीरियंस को फील करते हैं, वो हमारे लिए इतना इतना ख़राब एक्सपीरियंस होता है, काइंड ऑफ ट्रॉमेटिक हो जाता है. बट लेटर ऑन we convince our mind logically, we try to act mature, और हम कन्विंस करते हैं और हम उस चीज़ को फिर से कंसिडर कर लेते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हम कोई रिलेशन है, हम उस रिलेशन में बहुत ट्रॉमेटिक फील कर रहे थे, और या तो वो ट्रॉमा आपका सॉल्व हो जाए तो बात अलग है, बट वो आपका ट्रॉमा सॉल्व नहीं हो रहा है और आप सिर्फ मेचोरिटी दिखा रहे हो कि जो हमको हमेशा कंडीशन करा गया है, सिखाया गया है कि इट्स ओके, होता है, लेट इट बी, इट्स फाइन. I'm not saying to be very serious and not forget and forgive people or forget and forgive things. You should, but there is a way to do it. There is a process to do it. You should not suppress things. When you suppress things, it is going to be more troublesome for you. So basically, so many times जब आप maturity का game खेलते हो ना कि कोई बात नहीं, it's okay, हो गया, mind से आप सोचते हो गया और आप उस चीज़ को साइड रख देते हो. But your body does not accept, your heart does not accept. So majorly, when you try to act mature, think logically, and consider things, you will see one thing, that even if you're sitting at that place again, if you're sitting with that person again, so माइंड में आप खुद को कन्विंस कर लोगे, लेकिन आपकी बॉडी बहुत अनकंफर्टेबल फील करेगी. योर बॉडी विल फील वेरी अनकंफर्टेबल काइंड ऑफ सेंसेशंस. दैट इज़ योर एनर्जी टॉकिंग टू यू, and that is the most important language, and you need to be able to understand it. This is your body telling you that no, I'm not comfortable, there is something wrong about it. And your body always talks to you. It's not only about uncomfortable, it also talks to you in comfortable situations. When you are very comfortable, very safe environment, that time also your body will talk to you. So you just need to start understanding it. You need to start, and the way it speaks is sensations. So those sensations are created by your energy, and this is how your energy talk to you, and you need to understand it. That is the reason that there are a lot of people who want to change their life, who want to do the things, but for some other reason they have been doing it, but they are not able to do it because they have not been able to achieve the alignment. You need to achieve this alignment. Even if you are in a very very bad situation, you can still do it. Even if you are not in a very good place in life, you can still do it, but only after understanding it. Because only once you understand, you can bring that alignment and do the things. That is why it is said that सिर्फ सोचने से नहीं होता है, करना पड़ता है. क्योंकि सिर्फ सोचने से वो एक लेवल पे आ रहा है, आपको उसको सब लेवल पे लाने के लिए करना पड़ेगा. आप मूव करेंगे उस डायरेक्शन में, तब आपकी फुल एनर्जी क्रिएट होगी और तब आप उस चीज़ को अचीव कर पाएंगे. एंड दैट्स वाई एनवायरमेंट ऑल्सो प्लेज अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. बिकॉज इफ़ यू हैव देर हैज़ बीन एन एनवायरमेंट जहाँ पे आपने बहुत ट्रोमैटिक फील करा है, या आपकी बहुत ट्रोमैटिक मेमोरीज हैं उस जगह से, एंड आप you are like कोई बात नहीं, मेरे माइंड में तो नहीं है, मैं तो नहीं सोच रही हूँ, तो इट्स ओके. नो, इट डजंट हैपन लाइक दैट, बिकॉज आप दिमाग से नहीं सोच रहे हो, आप कॉन्शियसली नहीं सोच रहे हो, बट आपकी बॉडी ने बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग इमोशंस होल्ड कर रखे हैं. दैट्स वाई योर क्लोथ्स होल्ड इमोशंस, योर environment hold emotions, the places hold emotions, the things hold emotions. So you need to understand it and you need to work on it accordingly. And that's why the environment plays a very important role, because emotions are the most important energy. Emotions are basically energy in motion. And yeah, that is most powerful. Everything is related with your emotion. When you even do the affirmation, if your emotion is not coming, the affirmations will be like very mechanical, so it won't work, it won't help you. And that is why there are a lot of people who feel that no, it doesn't work. Yes, it doesn't work, because if you think and if you work like that, it doesn't work. But if you work on it correctly, it definitely works, because that's the law. So it's same for everyone. How can you work on this? So there are many ways to work on this, but just most important thing is you have to create the alignment. And one of the strongest and most powerful way is meditation, spending time with yourself alone. Because when you want to develop this connection, if you spend time alone with yourself, that's where you connect your body and your mind. If there is any external disturbance, it could be music, it could be any shows or anything, if it could be sitting with people, as much as you do this, the things, you are not connected with yourself. So to connect with yourself, you need to be in silence, you need to be meditating, you need to disconnect from outer world to create that internal connection. Only when you connect that, only when you create it, you can actually start working on things, and things are gonna work for you. Addiction to emotions, addiction to fear stops you to change, because change is hard. So when you are so much addicted to emotions, you basically do not realize, because आपकी जो बॉडी है वो आपके जो पेनफुल एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं, पेनफुल इमोशंस हैं, उससे भी एडिक्टेड है. तो उसको नहीं समझ में आता है कि, बिकॉज सी, habit is such a thing, there are a lot of people who actually enjoy traumatic experiences, toxic behaviors. Not that they want it, no, but because they have, from their childhood or from very long time, they have been experiencing it again and again. So they are so used to of that कि अगर अब it's like pain इतना comfortable हो चुका है उनके लिए, those kind of emotional pains, that even to come out of that pain is fear. They don't understand that what is happening wrong. It can only happen when they understand and they realize that okay, where they need to actually work. Change is definitely hard, change is definitely scary, but to make things happen, to change your life, you need to understand this and you need to work on it accordingly. This is something very important. That's all I just want you to take from this video, that please start spending alone time. Just disconnect from outer world so that you can connect with your inner world. Meditate as much as you want. You can start from 10 minutes morning, evening, like just as you wake up and just before you sleep, you should meditate. It is really helpful, and it will, if you just do it for a month also, you will see a lot of changes in yourself. It does happen. Everything will only happen when you completely get involved in it. It cannot happen only when you think, because think is only one level. तो एक level पे चढ़ के आप सारे level cross नहीं कर सकते. सारे level को cross करने के लिए you have to completely get involved. So when you dream big things, when you think big things, or when you want, you read about it, you keep talking about it, nothing will work. You have to get completely involved. It has to happen on all level of your consciousness. Then only things will actually work, things will actually change, and then you will yourself see that how much you can change your life, and trust the process. It does happen. That's all. Love you. Take care.